Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable political content on your Threads account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing is to open your Threads app and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon and here go to these two lines. Now under settings, look for content preference, and under content preference, you can see you have an option for political content. If you tap on it, you can see we have an option for what you see from profiles you follow and what you see from profiles you don't follow. Currently, what you see from profiles you don't follow, because most likely it is coming from the profiles that you don't follow. If you don't subscribe to this, it is turned on, which means you will frequently see their political content. To turn it off, now switch it off like this. So by turning this off, now you will never again receive political content on your account when you are using Threads. So that's how you can disable political content on your Threads account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.